Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to play Sam in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you need to click on the character that shows on your interface. Now we will look for Sam. You need to scroll down, and as you can see on the left corner, so this is Sam. He is a former factory worker turned wanted member of the Gold Arm Gang. So that's just the description of him. So it's like a epic. You will find him in if you get him in star drop. If you get an epic star, you will get him hopefully. But if you have gems, you will be able to buy it. So you need to buy gems. So we will go and buy the gems. I will go ahead and make it. So once you have bought the gems, you can just simply click on select.
Playtime's over, kids.
And now let's click on play. First choose the game mode here. So I have just chosen the showdown mode. Click on solo. Now let's click on play and I will try to show. So that's how you can play with Sam in Brawl Stars. One thing to keep in mind is that he has a very short firing range, so you need to keep that in mind. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.